So I was getting kind of nervous and claustrophobic in my house today, so I decided I just needed to go out for a little drive. I had a couple of quick errands to do, so I just stayed in my own neighborhood, but I wanted to see how we were doing. And Magnolia Boulevard, Avenue, Road, I forget what it's called, is right 1 block from where I live, so I'm pointing out just a few things I thought were interesting. So we've got some boarded up shops here and there. Not every shop is boarded up, but the ones that felt that they were at risk are obviously boarding themselves up. And there was spray paint on that last one. We have 3 gun shops on Magnolia, and this one has the longest line. Always has the longest line ever since the quarantine thing started. And today is no exception. And we'll drive down the street and take a look at the other little gun shops. And it's a beautiful day today, even though it's kind of June gloom. We have a little bit of wispy clouds up there, and there's a lot of traffic. It's like a regular traffic day. It's like, let's see, there's Unique Vintage just got boarded up because they have pretty expensive clothes in there. And we are slowing down for, emergency vehicle. We'll drive along. So here's the other gun shop, one of the other ones. Guys hanging out in front. And actually, Berkshire Hathaway is being credited with being the source for the bricks that are being unloaded discreetly in different cities, and so I thought that was kind of interesting. And so here we are on Olive. Now, Melrose Mac down in Hollywood got looted badly, and so they boarded up the one here in Burbank. I really love this guy on the wheelie mobile. It's one of those New Balance wheel gadgets. I think it's great. Burbank is great. Everybody has really interesting vehicles to get around in. There he is again. Great stuff. Now here, these are the tallest sunflowers. I'm almost jealous. My sunflowers are only 2-3 feet tall. And so we're coming in under here. This is Riverside and Cahuenga. We've got the liquor store boarding themselves up because they're actually in North Hollywood here. This is just across the way, North Hollywood. So they're not taking any chances. And I didn't really see anything boarded too much along Riverside. Here we are back in Burbank and Alameda and Hollywood Way, northbound. And I was actually gratified to see some National Guard vehicles just kind of tooling around town. So I saw 3 in total on my little trip here, so that's number 2 there. Hello. But the most interesting bit here that I think is loaded with meaning, I'm passing Floyd's Barbershop. And there's this white truck to my left. It's passing me when I'm passing Floyd's. Remember, it's George Floyd that we're concerned about right now and his family. And let's take a look at the vanity license plate on this white truck that just passed me by. OVRCOMR. Is that not completely brilliant? I love the symbolism. We're on Hollywood Way, and I'm following OVRCOMR. I'm not going the speed, I'm just barely going the speed limit. I'm taking it easy. And we'll go up to Victory. Oh, I got stuck at Victory. Victory's not a bad place to get stuck at, if you know what I mean. There's another truck showing their presence, making sure everybody sees that we are not taking this on the chin. Burbank's pretty good. We take care of ourselves pretty well. thought it'd be interesting to look at the construction project out here at the airport. This is the new terminal going in and all the different buildings. Huge buildings that are going in for the new terminal. And I decided to go ahead and take a trip out towards the hills here, but then I get on the freeway and come back towards Burbank. It's sort of this is the Burbank roller coaster ride for free. You too can do this if you want to make your own street roller coaster. Just put a GoPro in your window and speed it up afterwards. Are you feeling sick to your stomach yet? So yeah, now we're in Buena Vista going south. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for riding along with me.